Receiving a bad gift is a common experience, but it's important to show gratitude and not make the gift giver feel bad. You can simply say thank you and express appreciation for the thought and generosity behind the gift. If you struggle to show enthusiasm, try to focus on the intention behind the gift and thank the giver for that reason. Asking questions about the gift can also divert the conversation away from your dislike of it. If you're comfortable lying, you can say you like the gift but avoid making big promises. However, if you're close to the giver, it's okay to be honest about your feelings. If the gift is mean-spirited, it's acceptable to be less polite. When opening the gift, immediately thank the giver and make eye contact. If possible, smile genuinely to show appreciation. Giving a hug can also convey gratitude. Remember to act naturally and send a thank you card to address any concerns the giver may have had. If you really don't like the gift, you can consider regifting it, but be cautious and make sure the recipient will appreciate it.